Hello everyone. Today I use Tray for build a simple to-do app, and here you can see a chat option, Tray set mode. So now I use Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Here you can see GPT-4 or DeepSeek Arizona R1 and newly added Cloud 3.7 Sonnet, but I use Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Okay. I give here a prompt to create to-do applications. Create to-do applications that fully functional and nice UI design. Okay. Then first we have to run this npx create react app. So we run it. Okay. Yeah. Proceed. Creating react app. Okay. Installing package. This might take a couple of minutes. Installing react and react script with the CRA template. Okay, create react app template. Then for nice styling, material UI and many more icons. Okay, let's check. Okay, you can see npm start, npm run build, npm test run, npm and ready to already redirect my to-do app. Okay, here you can see not modules public src more. Okay, I have to run the one more thing, that is for nice UI design. Okay, you can see. And now you can see added 37 packages or others is installed, and now what you have to do, app.js file. The app.js I have to add like this. Okay, it's applied. Then to do form app. Okay, in the public to the form.js. Accept, enter. Okay, component, and then to the list, it's also component. Okay, I have to accept this. Okay, then okay, npm start. To start npm, let's see. npm start. Okay, you can see starting the development server. Okay, webpack compiled successful. Okay, locally you can check. Okay, the React app is run. Check the web preview here also. Here you can see the web preview. Tick. Check. Yeah, you can see our F. You can see my preview here. You can see the shows. So first, React application. Okay, you can see check marks. I can delete it. Not to see it and have one above. Learn this. Build a search application. Okay, I hope you got an idea to create a to-do app using Tray and Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. And if I get this, nothing. Not this, you see nothing. Yes, cache and focus. Okay. Since into file to-do list apps. Control A, delete, and Control V to save. And one more thing is and the app users have to copy this. Control okay. Then we go about this creativity application. Build a sense application. Build a study. React. Okay. Let's check. Oh. Stipend but never used. Okay. Apply. Let's check. Okay, it's run successfully. Okay, now release the cache. Okay. Build a site. Okay, and reload. Oh, it's okay. I hope you got an idea. So thanks for today. Bye bye.